Hello my friends, my name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, and share my knowledge on anything boating. Let's get into the news. Let's get into the stocks of the marine industry. We are in a green day, and congratulations to MarineMax with the gains. 17.19%. Volvo, Brunswick, wow. 10.99. Look, everybody's in the green. 80%. Even Raytheon at least broke even. Very good, everybody. Congratulations. We had a very green day today. I knew it would. I mean, it's up and downs. So that's awesome. Okay. And nice job, MarineMax, with that gain. Let's go to the news. We left off yesterday here. And by the way, if you go on my site, no more double posts. I fixed it. Let's go into this. Whoops. Installing a transom mount transducer on a boat. Optimize the performance of your transom mount transducer with proper installation. So there's installing a transducer this way, like you see on the picture there, and then there is installing a transducer like through hole. So you would cut out the fiberglass on the bottom of the boat, install it, seal it. The bigger boats usually have that, or the real, offshore fishing boats have it. But you'll see a lot of boats like this, and basically they put that in, put a little hole into the hull, and they'll be able to and there's like a couple screws to put it on, and then hook it up to your GPS or something. And they teach you all about how to install it the proper way, where to put it, where not to put it. It's a really nice little video. I'm sorry, not a little video, an article. Do they have a video? No. It's a great article. Thank you, boatingmag.com. Okay, next. Contender 44 fish around boat. What? It's the new Contender 44 fish around. Merges serious offshore angling features with live-aboard comfort for long-range adventures to the Bahamas and elsewhere. Let's check you out. Very nice. There's some pictures. Let's look at the pictures. If you're a diehard Contender fan, you're usually always a Contender fan. So, 425s. Wow. 44 FA. The fish around. FA. Okay. You can go on their site, contenderboats.com. You'll see all about it. Ooh, they've got a video. Let's see. Let's copy that. Okay. Ooh, look at that angle. Ooh. Yes. Nice shots. I think if you like Contender, you're gonna love this boat. Pure fishing. You're You're not gonna serve wine and cheese on that. You're gonna serve sushi. Awesome. Okay. You can check it out. Let's look at some stats. There's the performance data. You can, oh, let me get it. Anyways, go on their site. You'll see it. Oh, look at that. Good stuff. LOA 43, beam 12, draft 27, fuel 575 gallons, 70 gallon of water. Nice. Very nice. Okay, check them out. Let's move it along. Regional Dolphin strategies and tactics. If you like dolphin fishing, looks like they're going to give you some tips and tricks. Oh, in Jersey. I guess if you're in the Jersey area or the Texas area or the west coast of Florida or South Florida, this article is for you. Or the Mid-Atlantic. Look at that dolphin. Wow. Or the Southern California. This is a really nice article. Who wrote this? Staff. I can't even give you a credit. Staff. Thank you, staff. Look, it says staff right here. Okay. Anyways, that's from saltwatersportsman.com. Staff. Let's give him credit. Him or her. Looked good. Okay, next. Pearl 62. The latest addition to the Pearl fleet. Let's check it out. Ooh. Okay. Pearl. Wow. It looks really good. Huh. I like it. I like the layout. I mean, look, they all look the same. They all have that flow. You know what I like about these sedan bridges or fly bridges or whatever you want to call them? Is that now those doors in the back, they all kind of open up, so you get that nice flow. So if you feel like you're outside but you're kind of indoors, but you get the AC, but you get the feeling that you're outside. And if you want to go to the upper deck, you can enjoy that. And there's different sections of the boat. There's the fly bridge, there's the back transom, there's inside, there's the front of the bow. So you've got these 4 major sections, and then at night you can go and sleep. It's awesome. These type of boats are really nice for big families or just getting out. I used to sell these when I worked at Marine Max for a very long time, but not Pearl. Wow. Yeah, I miss being on those. Those are awesome. Look at the, it's a nice boat. It's a nice looking boat. What can I say? Look at the lines. The lines are nice. I haven't driven one of these, but it would be nice to. Look at the lift. You can tell there's a lift right underneath the platform. So that platform goes down. I'm assuming for that dinghy. And then you've got a jet ski garage. I like the hard top. It's got nice lines. It really does. It's nice. Look at the layout. Yeah. Yeah. Well, look, if you like this or if you want to know more about it, it's 61 feet. It's got a beam of 17.4, draft 3.3. Yeah. What kind of power can you get on it? You can get Volvo IPS 950s all the way up to 1200s. That is pearlyachts.com. Ooh, and they've got a nice website. They've got a lot of information. Okay, you get it. Next. Mystery shipwreck identified as pre-revolutionary war cargo vessel. Well, if you like that kind of stuff, there's an article on that. Fancy fish, 22 years ago. Love to. This is I skimmed through it, but if you want to know about center consoles and their history and where they've gone, I guess this sentence here sums this up. Center console boats have come a long way from their lean and mean days, and most anglers are grateful, and he talks about it. And he goes into the Scout 305 LXF. He goes into the Pursuit 37.8 Sport. He goes into the Intrepid 407 Nomad. He goes into the Grady White Canyon 336. By the way, Grady White, I heard, had a great Miami boat show. Like, they sold a lot of boats. It'd be nice to know how many, but I heard they sold a lot. Okay. Next. Quick hits. Suntex Marine investors recognize Hank Spencer. Wow, they made an article for this guy getting general manager of the year. The company made the announcement along with the handing out of several other awards at its recent GM conference. The American Sailing Association launched a webinar series, If you want to know more about that, go for it. MRAA adds to webinar series. The Marine Retailers Association of the Americas continue to expect its Ask the Expert webinar series. Expand. Did I say that? This week's 3 webinars focus on helping dealers with cash flow. We will dig into how the dealers manage cash flow during a crisis and deliver insights into how they can improve their financial ... You'll have to go in to find out more. Okay, next. One Water founders for GoPay. Okay, so the company One Water Marine, the co-founders, Austin and Anthony, are foregoing 100% of their salaries for the next 2 months in an effort to reduce costs during the coronavirus pandemic. Very, very nice of you. That's cool. And there's an article on that. The Bertram 61 is the biggest boat that the builder offers now and has a length overall of 61 feet, 1 inch. Her beam is 18 feet, 3 inches, and her draft is 5 feet. Power is a pair of 1925 horsepower's Cat C32. Okay. 3 staterooms. and there's a full length, full beam master. Let's see. Let's go to it. This is their site, and that is the boat I was just talking about. The Bertram 61, revolutionizing the deep V hull in its 21st century, paying homage to their iconic 1980s Bertram 54. State-of-the-art propulsion and technology. Okay. Let's look at the specs. There's the all wood version. Wood floors. I want to see what the... It's nice. Yeah, they got Seakeeper, everything, of course. You can go on their site and look it up. I want to see the interior real quick. It's nice, you know. It's got that. How do I put this? It's got a classic, modern feel to it. Okay. Move it along. Yamaha takes further measures amid crisis. Let's see why. Yamaha Motors Corp. U.S.-based manufacturing subsidiaries are giving production updates as each entity works to prevent the spread of COVID. It looks like it's an article about how they're taking some measures in these times. Next, portable onboard sat TV for your boat. Okay, thanks to a new portable satellite system, you can enjoy sports, movies, and other programming in high definition as you relax or overnight aboard your boat, whether in a marina or pull up on a beach, while paying for less for satellite equipment. So I'm guessing that's a couple $1,000 at most, because satellite systems are like 10 G's and up, although they may have gotten cheaper over the times. But MCY 70 Skylounge. Ooh, let's see what you're all about. Yeah, let's check it out. Here we are. So MCY, it's Monte Carlo yachts, and you know, they're nice. They're nice boats. This is the boat, the 70. I like how they put the teddy bears there. Okay, this is the boat. If you are attracted to it, if you find it beautiful, go to their site, montecarloyachts.it, not com, IT. There's an Italian feel to it. Ooh, should we? It's the last one, right? Yep, let's do it. Let's check out the video. Skylounge. Like that. I thought the beat was gonna drop harder. Nice. I like the stairs. Okay. I like the glossy white walls. You gotta show the compass. I like the galley. I see a lot of natural light. They did a really good job at showing how natural light is coming in. Future, classic. Okay, that kind of sums them up. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, and share my knowledge on anything boating. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it. That MCY was nice.